Before we dive in, a massive salute to Ibrahim. Today's video is powered by his super thanks. Some people sponsor truth. Others, well, they sponsor 5-year fairy tales. Ibrahim chose truth. Respect. Your support does not go unnoticed, and I truly appreciate you standing with the channel. And to everyone watching, if you appreciate the work, you can also support the channel through a super thanks. Every bit helps us keep going. Now, buckle up, because for 5 long years, Gininder treated the courtroom like his personal talent show, and the star of his performance, a gold tooth that never existed. Yes, apparently we all missed the memo where accused number 3 magically borrowed his late brother Kwenzo's face and his gold tooth for a crime he didn't commit. Sarcasm intended. Gininder marched that stolen photo into court like it was the Holy Grail, pointing, repeating, insisting. 5 years of, look your lordship, the gold tooth. 5 years of selling a story that collapses the moment you compare the photos side by side. Because the real photo of accused number 3, the one where he's smiling wide, not a single glimmer, not a single gold tooth, not even a hint, only the editing that looks like gold. And today, Mnisi finally brings the correction the court should have had on day 1, straight from accused number 3 himself. This clip is 14 minutes of uninterrupted clarity, a slow, painful unraveling of a lie that should never have survived 5 minutes, let alone 5 years. Kwenzo, may his soul rest in peace, deserved better than to have his image stolen and weaponized. Accused number 3 deserved better than to be misidentified by a detective who apparently couldn't tell 2 brothers apart, and the court deserved better than a gold tooth ghost story. Settle in, watch closely, because today, the truth doesn't just speak, it laughs at the lie that tried to replace it. Share your thoughts on Gininder's evil deeds. Here it goes.
In the proceedings of the 22nd of January 2024, on page number 14.
22 January 2024, page 14.
This is what Brigadier Gininder told this court. He says, photos download taken of the accused by himself or selfies match the description of the suspect who was or who had a firearm with dreadlocks, big eyes, and with a gold teeth.
Lana ke uyasho ke ukuthi ke ithombe phecelezi ke ama selfie ezathotshelwa uyena ke umsolwa ke eyithobula noma eyishuta yena ke ziyakusho ke noma ke zihambisana ke nalokho ke okwashiwo ke khulunya izinyo legolide. Can you just mention them on? Can you mention them again, sorry? Gold tooth,
dreadlocks,
ama-dreads, yebo,
big eyes,
amehlo amakhulu,
and had a firearm.
kanye futhi nesibhamu.
Yes. So that is the first time that the court gets that kind of this additional descriptive feature of the suspect who had a firearm.
Manje ke kwakuye kokuqala ke manje ke inkantolo izwa ke ngalezi ezinye ke izinto eseyifakelwa noma ke eseyishiwo ke ngalo umsolwa owayephethe isibhamu.
You have heard the background that I've sketched, Mr. Mncube. Do you have any comments?
Uzwile ke lokho engikushilo ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi isithombe lesi sifinyelele noma sigcine sesila enkantolo. Khona office ukusho
lesi sithombe lesi sifike la ecourt last year.
This photo was brought to court last year, in June.
Lesi sithombe lesi uGininda uthi wathola uMabaso 2020.
Sorry, Gininda was thola kuMabaso
2020.
Okay, this photo Gininda says that he got this photo from Mabasa in 2020.
So lesi sithombe kuba thiwa sasine gold teeth.
If it is said that there was a gold tooth in this photo,
wayengeke uBrigadier Gininda asukele omunye umuntu athi yimi.
Brigadier Gininda would not have gone after someone else and said that that person was me.
Last year ngangaphosisi beku 5 years or 6 years kuleli cala.
Last year, if I'm not mistaken, it was 5 or 6 years in this matter.
Eni wonke leminyaka lena 5 or 6 bekuyisithombe sika Kwenza ebekuthiwa yimi one gold teeth.
For all these years, 5 or 6 years, it was Kwenza's photo where it was alleged that it was me
Let us
with the
pause.
gold tooth.
Let's pause it there. Let's go to photo number, I think page 15. Page 15 of Exhibit S. You refer to somebody known as Kwenza who Brigadier Kiminda said it had a golden tooth. Is this the person that you're referring to as Kwenza?
Uyena okwenza ukhuluma ngayo lo?
Yebo uye.
Yes, it is him.
Do you know him?
Uyamazi?
Ubhuti wami
This is my brother.
ngilama yena.
I come after him.
So he's your elder brother.
Umdala kunawe.
Yebo.
Yes.
Thank you. So what about him? You can proceed with your explanation.
Uthini ke ngaye ungaqhubeka?
Ngithi uKeninda wayengeke athathe lesithombe sikabhuti lesi athi yimi.
I am saying Kininda would not have taken my big brother's or my elder brother's photo and say it's me
Sikhona isithombe sami asibonayo sine gold teeth.
when there is a photo of mine that he's able to see or that he sees that it has a gold tooth.
Lesi sithombe phela musibhekele nje ngiyahleka nje amazinyo asobala.
That photo, when you look at it, I'm just laughing there. It's just clear teeth there.
Wayothi mayivula nje lela amaphepha amnika yona athi washa nangoku kuneziyo legolide.
Now, if he was going to open that photo as it was given to him, he was going to say, there you go. There he is. He's got a gold tooth.
Ngoba iziyo legolide azange libone lalingekho.
Because-
Ingakho ngasilethanga la ikhona.
Because he did not see a gold tooth, it was not there. That's why he never brought it to court.
Wahlala phansi wacabanga ukuthi ngamplanta ngani.
He then sat down and thought, what is it
What
that I can use against him? What is it? How can I plant him?
Wathi hayi ngoba hayi impela kusuyena impela kodwa hayi ngiyamfaka uye lo.
He then said, oh, yeah, because it is not him, but I'm going to put him in. This is him.
Ngoba efuna ekhothi ukuthi kuzwakale lento efuna uye.
Because he wants the court to hear that which he wants.
Wayebone kahle ukuthi akusu umncube lo.
He saw it very clear that this is not Mngube.
Kodwa wathatha isithombe silethe ekhothi.
But he took the photo and brought it to court.
Ngokuhlala kwakhe abone ukuthi eshi lento langathi ayiyabhampa into yami.
Sitting down thinking that no, it's not working out.
Wathi hayi sikhona isithombe sakavela kusamazinyo uthi siplante sona ke manje.
Then said, oh yeah, there is a photo of him where his teeth are appearing.
Good.
Let's plant that one
Ukuze lento ibuye ize kuyeke manje.
so that this comes back to him.
Ngoba phela lesi sithombe lesi ngisho kaningi la ekhothe la eboxeni uGeninda ngithi akusimina lo.
Because this particular photo, I said it many times here that this is not me.
uGeninda kodwa lokho eqhubekile athi uye.
But Kininda kept on saying it's him.
Uyabona.
You see?
So waletha lesi esamike last year sesiplante ngezinyo legolide.
Now he brought my photo last year where now this gold tooth has been planted.
Azange sibe negolide lesi sithombe lesi.
There was never gold in that photo.
Mina mnikazi wala zange ngifake igolide.
Me, being the owner thereof, I never inserted gold.
Bathi lesi sithombe sishuthwe ngeselfie.
They are alleging or claiming that that photo was taken through a selfie.
Leya phone le ngisebenzisa mina iSamsung ayingana safe, ayingana ngisho camera ngaphambili.
That particular phone that I was using, the Samsung, did not have a selfie or it did not even have a camera in front.
So into engekho leyo.
So that's something that's non-existent.
Thank you, Mr. Mnube. Just to confirm what you are saying, that there's an allegation that the photos were taken, that photo where it is alleged that you've got a golden teeth, that exhibit SD, this is what Brigadier Keninda himself says in the record, where he says photos download taken of the accused by himself or selfist match the description of the suspect who was or who had a firearm with dreadlocks, big eyes, and with a gold teeth. Indeed, he told this court that that photo, which he claims to have been taken with, which he claims that it had a golden teeth, was taken with a selfie. And you are,
Ngempela ke kuloko kushoyo uqeda ufunda ku advocate ukuthi kufakazi bakhe ke uBrigadier Gidinda wakusho ke ukuthi ke isithombe lesiyana ke sathwetshula kusetshenziswa ke ukuthi wena ke wayithwebula noma ke lokho kusetshenziswa ukuthi ke iselfie esho ke lapho ukhuluma ngesibhamu ukhuluma ke ngamehlo amakhulu ukhuluma ngawo futhi ke amadress kanye nalo futhi izinyo legolide.
thank you. Yes.
Ma ukhumbula kahle kosenkantolo la bazama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi bethi ngoba befaka ama selfie bethi lesi sithombe babethi igolide likwa right.
If you remember well, my lord, they tried by all means when they referred to the photo saying it's a selfie and then also saying that the gold was on the right hand side.
Kuze kwafika umabasa la eboxini.
Mabasa came here to court and took the witness doc.
Washo same story ukuthi isithombe lesi sashuthwa ngeselfie.
And said the same thing, that the photo was taken by selfie.
Makambuza la ecourt wajika wathi hayi ngenzeka mabe mtshethise le phone engenayo icamera ngaphambili wathi ngenzeka iselfie yangemuva.
When he was then told that the phone did not have a front camera, he then said it's possible that it was the back camera.
Ngoba igolide wayelikhomba wa right waze wathi yena ifone mawushutha ngayo ilokuzi yajika ilokuzana masise fonini.
Because now it was said that the gold was on the right, or you were saying the gold was on the right, he then said that when the photo is now on the phone, it then now switches or it turns around.
Because nkantolo yacela ipolice lama lapha washutha enobabu Jonas la umabasa.
And then the court then requested a police officer to stand in front here and take a photo of Jonas and Mabasa.
Isithombe safawa lapha isithombe zangisijike.
The photo was beamed there, and there were no changes on the photo.
Ngoba yena wayethi izinyo likwa right.
Because he was claiming or alleging that the tooth was on the right side.
Wathi lesi isithombe sesi2.
He then said on the second photo,
safawa futhi lapha isithombe sangajika.
It was also beamed here, and there were no changes.
Kuthe kusakhulunywa ubaba Sibanda wasishintsha ke computer zaba yi2.
When there were still deliberations, then Mr. Sibanda then changed it, and there were 2 photos.
Wathi sesijikile, wathi seshintshile.
He then said, now there were indeed changes,
Kade seshintshwe ngelokuza ngecomputer.
but it was changed using the computer.
Ngoba befunani abashushisi namaphoyisa befuna izinyo lekwa right.
Because what they wanted, that is now the prosecution as well as the police, they wanted the tooth to be on the right side.
Leyo nto le abayenzayo yonke le nto into engekho.
Now all of that they were doing, it's something that is non-existent.
Njengoba sifika nje last year lesithombe June ngoba sasikade singanagolide.
As this photo was now brought to court last year in June, it's because there was no gold.
Thank you, Mr. Miller. Just one second. Let's go back to that other photo again, where he says that is his brother. Photo number 15. Thank you. You're saying that the person depicted in that photo is your brother.
Yeah. Yes.
What was his color? His skin color?
Umbala wakhe complexion yakhe enjani?
Dark in complexion.
He's dark in complexion.
Thank you.
6 kumama thina.
We are 6 siblings.
Yes.
Abayi2 ba dark in complexion.
2 are dark in complexion.
Uye bese kuba intombazana yokugcina.
It's him and the last born, that is who's a girl or a lady.
Sonke thina laba abanye simhlophe.
All of us, the others now, we are light in complexion.
Thank you. Now, when you look at his on the dreadlocks in that photo, what would you say vis-a-vis that which was said by the people who were in the house as to how the dreadlock looked like? Where
Uma
did they
ubuka
come?
ke ama-dread lana ke ungathini ke uma ungaphawula ke kuloko okwashiwa abantu ababesendlini bekhuluma ngawo ama-dread uma ubuka lawo ama-dread.
akukho engingakusho ngoba ngokwazi kwami ngizobeka ngokwazi wami lama
Yes.
grade.
There's nothing that I can say, but according to my knowledge, I'm going to say, based on my knowledge,
Awabonakali kahle la.
they are not that clear here.
Ya kodwa wona aye la ngaleso sikhathi leso jayi la emahlombe la.
But they were up to here, the witness indicating up to the shoulders at that time.
Thank you.
Ngokwawo straight angikhuluma ngokwabantu basendlini ngikhuluma
Yes.
ngokwawo ngokwazi wami ngalesi sikhathi.
I'm referring to those dreadlocks at that particular time, not based on what the people in the house were saying.
Thank you.
But yena akasekho kodwa.
But he's, so Ashon,
Yeah.
but he's late.
No,
He's
thanks.
no more.
Thanks.